Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? Imagine a celestial object, alien to our solar system, making its way through the vast cosmos. This isn't just a figment of our imagination, but a reality named Oumuamua. Let's rewind to 2017. Amidst the tranquil Pacific Ocean, nested on the picturesque islands of Hawaii, the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope was diligently scanning the night sky. On a seemingly ordinary October night, it stumbled upon something extraordinary, something that was not from around here. The object was christened Oumuamua, a name derived from the Hawaiian language, meaning a scout or messenger from the distant past. Oumuamua was not your average space rock. It was a stranger from a different star system, an interstellar traveler, making it the first of its kind to be detected by US Earthlings. Our cosmic guest, however, was not only unique for its origin, but also for its appearance. Unlike the spherical or irregularly shaped asteroids and comets we're familiar with, Oumuamua boasted an unusual, elongated shape. Picture a cigar or a pancake whirling through the cosmos. That's Oumuamua for you. Despite its swift passage close to the sun, Oumuamua didn't display any signs of a tail, a characteristic feature of a comet. It was also tumbling rather than spinning, and its brightness varied dramatically, all indicating its highly elongated shape. These peculiarities sparked a frenzy of excitement and speculation among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Yet, as quickly as it had appeared, Oumuamua began its journey out of our solar system, leaving behind more questions than answers. Its high velocity suggested it was merely passing through, not gravitationally bound to the sun, like the planets and asteroids of our solar system. The mysterious Oumuamua, an alien traveler, had silently slipped into our solar system, stirring a whirlwind of questions. And so, our cosmic detective story begins, a tale of the first known interstellar visitor and its secrets, which continue to baffle and fascinate us to this day. Oumuamua isn't your typical celestial body. It's different, it's odd, and it's fascinating. Let's start with its speed. Oumuamua moves like a bat out of hell, zipping through our solar system at a whopping 58,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to get from New York City to London in less than 3 minutes. And it's not just fast, it's also erratic, tumbling haphazardly through space rather than spinning on a stable axis like most asteroids or comets. Then there's its color. Oumuamua is not the typical gray or white we might imagine when we think about celestial bodies. No, it's a deep, dark red. The kind of red you might associate with rust or dried blood. Scientists believe this reddish hue might be the result of cosmic rays bombarding its surface for millions of years. But perhaps the most unusual characteristic of Oumuamua, the one that really sets it apart from your garden-variety comet or asteroid, is its non-gravitational acceleration. You see, as Oumuamua moved away from the sun, it didn't slow down as much as expected. In fact, it seemed to speed up slightly, a behavior that suggests it wasn't just being pulled by the sun's gravity. This led some to speculate that Oumuamua might be a comet, as comets can produce jets of gas that propel them forward. However, no such jets were observed. This is where things get really interesting. Some researchers have proposed that this unusual acceleration could be due to solar radiation pressure, the force exerted by sunlight. But for this to be the case, Oumuamua would have to be extremely thin, perhaps no more than 1 millimeter thick and very wide, characteristics that are not typical of any known asteroid or comet. These bizarre traits of Oumuamua are what make it a subject of intense scrutiny and speculation. It doesn't fit neatly into our existing categories of celestial bodies, and that's what makes it so exciting. It's a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Could Oumuamua be more than just a mere space rock? Could it possibly be an alien spacecraft? This is not a question posed by science fiction enthusiasts, but by some respected scientists in the world. The theory that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, perhaps an alien probe, emerged from its quite unusual characteristics. One of the puzzling features of Oumuamua is its strange acceleration. Unlike other comets, Oumuamua sped up as it moved away from the Sun, a behavior that defies our understanding of natural celestial bodies. This led some to speculate that the object might be propelled by an artificial source, perhaps a kind of advanced alien technology. Then there's the peculiar shape of Oumuamua. Its elongated cigar-like form is unlike anything we've ever seen in the cosmos. This oddity further fueled the theory of an extraterrestrial origin. The alien spacecraft theory, while enticing, has been met with skepticism by many in the scientific community. But isn't it fascinating to ponder the possibilities? Despite the allure of the alien spacecraft theory, most scientists favor a more natural explanation for Oumuamua. Now, let's dive into the arguments against the alien spacecraft theory. The idea of Oumuamua being an extraterrestrial probe is indeed fascinating, but it's based largely on its unusual acceleration as it passed by our Sun. This acceleration, not accounted for by gravity alone, led some to suggest the presence of an artificial propulsion system. However, this overlooks a number of natural phenomena that could also explain this acceleration. The most favored explanation among scientists is outgassing, a process familiar to anyone who's observed a comet. As a comet nears the Sun, its icy surface heats up, causing gases trapped within to be released. This expulsion of gas can act like a natural rocket engine, causing the comet to speed up. Now you might be thinking, but wasn't Oumuamua's surface dry and devoid of any visible gases? Yes, indeed. But it's possible that Oumuamua's outgassing was composed of substances that don't leave a visible trail, or that any gases were simply not detected due to the object's distance from Earth. Another proposed explanation is solar radiation pressure. Just as wind can push a sailboat, particles of light or photons from the Sun can push against an object in space. If Oumuamua is extremely thin, like a sheet of paper, it could have been significantly affected by this radiation pressure, explaining its unexpected acceleration. These natural explanations are not only plausible, but they're also consistent with our existing understanding of physics and astronomy. They don't require us to introduce new, unproven concepts like alien technology. Moreover, despite extensive searches by organizations like SETI, no signs of alien life have been detected around Oumuamua or anywhere else in the cosmos. While the alien theory makes for an exciting narrative, the evidence leans more towards Oumuamua being a natural object. Our understanding of Oumuamua continues to evolve as scientists tirelessly study this enigmatic visitor. In the realm of the cosmos, discovery is an ever-evolving process. The recent years have seen a significant surge in our comprehension of this celestial body named Oumuamua. A popular hypothesis is that Oumuamua, with its peculiar shape and unusual acceleration, could be a fragment of a larger body that was ripped apart by its host star's gravitational forces. This theory suggests that Oumuamua might have originated from a system with a hot, high-mass star. In terms of its composition, scientists have been able to deduce that Oumuamua is likely made up of solid rock or metal without any significant amounts of water or ice. Its surface is believed to be coated with a thick layer of organic-rich material, which could explain its reddish hue captured in our telescopes. However, let's not forget that these are only theories. The beauty of space exploration lies in the continual quest for truth, and Oumuamua is no exception. There are ongoing studies striving to unlock further secrets of this interstellar interloper. For instance, researchers are investigating the possibility of Oumuamua being a cosmic dust bunny, which is a cluster of interstellar dust particles held together by static electricity. Looking forward, the intrigue surrounding Oumuamua has led to the planning of future missions aimed at studying interstellar objects more closely. One such mission is the proposed Interstellar probe by NASA, which intends to reach out to these celestial bodies, potentially gathering direct data and shedding more light on their nature and origin. The journey of understanding Oumuamua is akin to piecing together a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. With every new discovery, we add another piece to the enigma, gradually forming a clearer picture of this mysterious visitor from a distant star system. Oumuamua may have left our solar system, but the secrets it holds continue to unravel. Oumuamua, a silent wanderer from the depths of space, has left us with more questions than answers. This celestial vagabond, first spotted in the autumn of 2017, startled us with its peculiar attributes. Unlike anything we'd ever seen, Oumuamua's elongated shape and unusual acceleration patterns sparked whispers of an alien origin. However, as captivating as the idea of extraterrestrial intelligence is, the evidence leans towards natural explanations. Ice, dust, and the relentless pull of gravity seem to account for most of its odd behavior. Yet, the latest findings have thrown us for a loop, suggesting that Oumuamua might be a piece of a larger celestial body that was violently ripped apart. Amidst all these theories and counter-arguments, one truth remains certain. Oumuamua is like nothing we have ever encountered before.